let's go into some of your counteractions now. This is the first, another one, the early one was Can't Get Brown.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That one there. How did you come up with that, and why did you decide to, or was that a counteraction for Vybz Kartel, or was more a counteraction for what was happening?
It was what was happening. I wasn't, because I see a lot of people always put it from that put it out there that time, like I'm going against Kartel, meaning like counteracting Kartel and all of that. And even the newspaper come and say, yo, you're counteracting Kartel song. And I said, no, I'm not doing a counteraction. This is just a correction for what's going on out there. You know, because people, like, I hear people saying it, that the cake soap, they want to get the cake soap to bleach them skin. So I was just correcting them, the people, you know, the mass out there, telling them that I've tried it, because I've been using cake soap, washing my face from school days, and it never changed my complexion, you know. So I was talking based on experience. So when I say me try the cake soap thing, me buy a lot. My mother asked me what me I do with that. Me tell her, say, Kartel say the new remedy for cool it down when the time hot. Because even Kartel at the time was saying it's to cool you down. Yeah. But the people took it on another level and say it going to change them complexion. You understand? So I was just repeating what Kartel said right there when I say Kartel say it's to cool you down when the time hot. So I don't even understand and know how people started putting it like I'm disrespecting Kartel and all of that kind of madness, you know. And you know, you have some selectors who would be afraid to play the song a certain way and all of them kind of thing. So what they did was, when cause Kartel did have a song out there named Cool Like I Wash Your Face with the Cake Soap. That song was out there before I did the
Can't Get Brown.
The Can't Get Brown song. See, so that song was out there, you know, Cool Like I Wash Your Face with the Cake Soap. So this is what they do now. When my song come out now, because you know, I'll after the selectors and them don't want Kartel pre them and all of them things. So what they do now, they play my song first and use the me no love man. So take care, yeah, Fabi. It's for counteract back my song. For counteract my song, I make it look like boy Kartel do this song because I did the Can't Get Brown song, but it wasn't like that. It's just them do the whole thing there. Because I mean, I even see Kartel in the whole time in there, at a gas station. Because this was a time when people thought that me and Kartel have some feud going on and lyrical thing going on or whatever and thing. And I see him at the gas station and him call me because I was in the gas station and I say this Benz at the pump and a hand push out and I call me. So I say, wait, this is who that I call me from. You know, look and thing, you know, I'm going to see a brown hand. Is a brown hand push out through the window. Because you know, Kartel, this time Kartel, it is fully brown out and thing. So, I swear to God, I never know it was Kartel inside of the car and thing. So, when the pump attendant come on the come inside of the Tiger Market and said to me, yo, a Kartel, I call you out there now. I say, oh. So, I go out there now and thing and I see him and I say, yo, what you deal it? I mean, I say, me there, man. I say, yo, Star. Me say, me and you not good Star. I want to go on. And I say, nah, man. I say, then you really have follow that, brother. And I say, no, me not follow that. Your mother don't follow that. And thing, a song where I sing, brother, and thing, and you know what I mean? I don't know where I represent the same place as Spanish Town, you say, you know, and a Spanish Town, you say, you know, and Ray. So me and him there run to have that kind of way. They say till I said to him, say, but you are going now, teacher. Me still try the soap, brother. And that hurt. I say, yo, you see you. Everybody can't make city, you know, keep on walking to you. Keep on my song. Can't get round of my song. I'm just say, yeah, man, and thing. So, you know, we have the whole good vibe about the whole thing and thing. Or laugh about it and them thing there. So, as we say, it wasn't a song where I go against Kartel. Because I know how to make a counteraction to go against someone. I know how to do that. So, if I was attacking Kartel, I would do that. You understand me? I wouldn't go half with it or quarter way with it. You know, I was just doing that at the time because the whole place, they just have it say, boy, the cake soup, I got change them complexion. And me, I said, no, it now gonna do that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.